Hello guys, welcome to another video, and today I'm at Shifnal train station, and we might not see a lot of trains here, but we will have some more stations. And we might, services that pass and stop here. Ones that pass are Virgin Trains and Transport for Wales, and ones that stop are the West Midlands Railway. We are on platform 1. Is it platform 1? Yes,
it is. Yeah.
Well, thank you. And
we're going to Stafford.
Yes, we are going to Stafford from Shifnal, so we need to get off at Wolverhampton.
11 minutes past 12. Oh, in from Wolverhampton. I'm not sure. The one that we're waiting for is the 12:11. I don't know if there's one due in from there should be, shouldn't there?
It's got to be a Transport for Wales passing soon. Actually, a couple of Transport for Wales do stop at Shifnal. I think a couple from Wolverhampton to Shrewsbury. Yeah, but we might see. What's that noise? No. Right, pigeons, you better want to get off the. Mind the gap, pigeons. All right. Oh, yeah. Oh no.
Sit down. This one, isn't it?
This one doesn't stop here.
On that one, there says there's a train coming from Wolverhampton way, 12:24.
Okay.
That's another half an hour.
We'll have to stand back.
Yeah, it's very, very fast. All those.
Can you see a train?
No, I'll tell you when it's coming. No, it's nice size.
Let's see. Tell me when it's coming. Alright, you look down. Always.
Coming.
It's two ways. I think it's Transport for Wales. I think it's Transport for Wales. Down there. It's a Transport for Wales to Birmingham International from Aberystwyth and Pwllheli. I can't get the numbers because I don't like doing numbers. Okay, stand back.
I'll hold you.
But
Film it then.
Here it comes. And that is.
It's fast.
We're going. 158 346.
You're supposed to follow it with your phone.
Right now, that calls at Wolverhampton, Smethwick, Galton Bridge, Birmingham New Street, and Birmingham International. There's one going to be coming that way as well. Hope this one isn't a Virgin Trains. Might be another Transport Wales.
There's not one coming now, so I'll turn your phone off till the next one comes.
No. Okay, what? Alright, stand back. Put your ears. I need to Transport for Wales to Aberystwyth and Pwllheli from Birmingham International. 158 333. That calls. I don't really know Welsh words, but actually that just goes to Aberystwyth. Calls at Telford Central, Wellington, Shrewsbury, Welsh, or Newtown. I don't know what.
Stop it now, mate, for our train to come in.
No.
Like you're wasting your battery, mate.
No, my battery's plenty. Mom, stop. Okay. What time's our train? I'm gonna have some more raspberries. And that was trains at Shifnal. Thank you for watching. Bye.